Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a neutral cool toned eye look for you guys. Pretty easy to create. I was inspired by that video I did talking about products that I absolutely love but I don't reach for anymore, and I was thinking about my MAC Platinum Pigment, which is all over my lid right now. And then I also picked up my Viseart, which one is this? The One Neutral Matte. I paired both of these. I think that they look beautiful together. And I know you guys have heard me talk about, like, I'm not really into the new stuff from Viseart, but I still absolutely love the 12 pan matte palettes. Now this look I'm so obsessed with. I love the pink lip. This is not something that I would typically do, but you guys know I've been feeling it. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Wayne Goss number 16 in the second shade in the top row. I'm going to work this into the crease just for a little bit of a transition shade. I know this is slightly warmer, but it's still not too warm. I just want to have something right around the edges. It's kind of like a peek through. With a MAC 221, I'm going to take that same shade and just run it right along the lower lash line. Wayne Goss number 17 and the last shade in the third row. I'm going to first concentrate this on the outer V. And then I'm going to slowly work it into the crease and slightly upward. Just adding a little bit of definition. Again, I'm just going to take that shade on a MAC 221 and run it along the lower lash line. Same brush and the very last shade in the palette, I'm going to add just a little bit more depth. This is a little bit more on the gray tone side as well. Just doing this to the outer V and slightly into the crease. Not bringing this as high. Same brush again, and now I'm getting just a little bit of the black. And I'm bringing it further on the outer corner, and I'm just kind of tapping it into place. And you could honestly leave it here. You could add the white shade all over the lid to keep it like a matte look. But I am going to go in with something high shine today to give it like some zhuzh. I put a little powder underneath my eyes because I knew this was going to probably fall. So this is MAC's Platinum Pigment. It is dry and I'm using it on a MAC 242. I'm starting on the inner part of the eye because I want the majority of the pigment to be there. And then I'm going to tap over the edge. I'm going back in with the last shade in the palette in that MAC 221, and I'm just blending the edges. I'm going to clean up just a little bit in the crease, make sure that's blended. I'm going in with the white from the palette to highlight my brow arch very carefully. I don't want it to be too stark. And then I'm going in with the white from the Dior Face Glow palette. This is what I'm going to use to highlight my face. So I'm also using it to do my inner corner. Linda Hallberg 333, I'm going to stamp the black shade right at my lash line, only at the top. I want to keep the bottom just a little cleaner. And then I'm going to go add on some lashes. Alright you guys, to finish off the look, all I did was add on a little bit of Nars via Veneto on the inner top rim. Kiss Ritzy lashes, of course, and then on my lips I have edge-to-edge liner from MAC and then sugarcane lipstick from Bite Beauty. And I don't know, I'm just kind of feeling myself. It feels soft and feminine. I'm feeling it. I like it. I'm loving the neutral and cool tone. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please let me know by giving a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.